Today's date, April 25th, 2012, 1:48 in the afternoon, and this is Jameson Hospital in Newcastle. I don't understand it. There's 4 or 5 lifts here, and there's only one with the loudest beeper I ever heard in my life. Woke me up at 6:30 this morning. That's what started it. The thing not only beeps when it backs up, it beeps when it moves side to side and up and down. And the rest of them don't beep at all. Who's right, who's wrong here? I don't know. Either take that damn beeper off, or you need to put 4 more on the other ones and make even more noise in the neighborhood. Go figure.